So you've got your head around the basics of animation, and now you want to breathe life into your characters. Well, you may have already learned that when animation moves beyond the bouncing ball exercise, it gets exponentially more difficult and time consuming. So wouldn't it be nice to learn how to approach your animation like a professional? Well, the follow-up course to the Animation Bootcamp does exactly that. The first half is an animation workflow masterclass with a selection of video lectures that explains the many ways to approach any animated shot. We will show you how to progress through the 4 stages of animation: planning, blocking, splining and polishing, so you can find your own way of getting to the finished animation as easily and quickly as possible. But most of all, it's jam-packed full of helpful tips and tricks that will speed up your workflow and make you a faster and more effective animator. A good workflow is essential for good animation. Then in the second half, we put your newfound workflow skills to the test with some challenging body mechanics shots. We'll be working on some jumps, kicks and lifts, and then we'll show you how to deal with some of the technical aspects of animation, like how to use constraints to pick up objects. So if you've made your way through the Animation Bootcamp, this course is your next step to level up your animation skills.